In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install fonts in Affinity Designer. We'll start by grabbing a font from a trusted source, install it on your computer, and then use it right inside Affinity Designer. First, open your web browser and head to fonts.google.com. This is a free library of high-quality fonts that are safe and easy to use. You can browse categories, search by name, and even type in your own sample text to see how a font will look in your project. Once you've found a font you like, select it and download it. On Google Fonts, use the Download Family button to get all the styles like regular, bold, and italic. Most fonts here are open source, so they're cleared for personal and commercial use, but it's always good to skim the license on the page. Next, open your downloaded font. It will typically arrive as a zip file in your Downloads folder. If you don't see it, check your browser's Downloads panel to locate the file. Now extract the file. On Windows, right-click the zip and choose Extract All. Then pick a destination folder. On macOS, just double-click the zip and a new folder will appear with the font files inside. You're looking for files that end in .ttf or .otf. Click on the font file you want to install. A preview window will open showing the alphabet and sample text so you can confirm you've got the right style. Click Install. On Windows, press Install or Install for all users if you want it available to every account. On macOS, click Install Font, which opens Font Book and adds it to your system. If you downloaded several styles, repeat this for each one so they all appear in your apps. Once the installation is complete, go to the Affinity Designer app. If it was already open, it's a good idea to quit and relaunch so it refreshes the font list. Finally, go to the Fonts menu and find your new font. Select the Artistic Text tool or Frame Text tool, click on the canvas, and open the font drop-down. Start typing the font's name to filter the list, pick the weight you installed, and apply it to your text. If you don't see it right away, make sure you installed the correct .ttf or .otf file, then restart the app. That's it, your font is installed and ready to use in Affinity Designer.